In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save view once photo and videos. This method actually works for both iPhone and also Android devices. If you have any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it to the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, have anyone ever sent you a view once photo or video and then you just rushed and watched it, then you lost access to it totally without being able to save it? On this video, I'm going to show you how to fix that without any root access or any hacks. Now, let's say for example, someone is to send you a view once photo like this one you can see on my WhatsApp right now. Just make sure that you are not in a hurry to open it. Just take your time. The first thing you need to do is to get hold of another phone, like a second phone, any phone around you. Just get hold of that phone. And then what you have to do, once you open the view once photo or the view once video, you're going to take that second phone and then use it to take a photo of it, or you're going to record the video. So it's just how it works. It's that simple. So once you've actually done this, all you have to do now is just take that second phone and then use it to send the photo and video to your main phone. This way you'll be able to access that photo and that video anytime that you want. And the best part about this is that the sender is not even going to know that you actually recorded the view once video or took a photo of the view once photo that is sent to you. So that's just the best trick to actually get this done. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys in my next video.